2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, MP3 player, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.